Hey guys, welcome to Codesiddhi.space. In this video, we are going to see how you can manage multiple domains, or let's say how you can change your main primary domain of your hosting account. So this is an issue that we have faced with multiple other hosting providers in past, that once you purchase a hosting account and while purchasing you specify that I need to use this abc.com as a primary domain that has to be connected to the hosting account. Later on, once you decide to change or use that particular hosting to some other domain name, let's say if I created a website for abc.com, right, and later on I want to change the domain, I want to let's say use the same files and same hosting, same server, but I want to use xyz.com instead of abc.com. I want to change the domain name, but most of the shared hosting providers don't allow this. So, but unlike other hosting providers, in Codesiddhi.space you can easily add multiple domains and easily switch between multiple domains to the same folder. So how do we do that? Let's quickly see. First thing is log into your ZPanel dashboard. Once you log in, click on hosting and you need to find the domain option. Now scroll down and find the domain option. Right. The first option, manage domains. So here, let's say this is an example of redetect.com. It is redirecting us to the public_HTML folder. It is a document root. Okay. So this is the domain name that is redirecting to the website that is hosted within this particular folder. This folder is in our server. Let's say if you tomorrow come up with one more domain, let's say xyz or abc.com or something like that. Okay. Let's just assume that I own this particular domain and I want to, already the domain is using name servers or name servers. Now I want to add it here. It just note that whatever domain you add here, the domain should use our name servers, that is ns1stackdns.com, ns2, ns3, ns4, right? So in our last video we have seen how to update ns servers. Perfect. So only once the domain is using our name servers, then you can go ahead and manage it over here. So let's say I came up with one more domain and I want to redirect it. It is also redirecting to the public_HTML. Both domain will be redirecting to the files that are stored in public_HTML. But let's say if I want to host one more website that is under the folder called rrr, right? So in this case, redetect.com will be opening the website that is inside public_HTML, and this abc.com will open the website files that are inside rrr.com, rrr folder. Right? So let's say how to change the primary domain. By default, this is the primary domain. Now I need to, first thing is I need to click on update, or else let's say if I simply click on primary here, this will become abc.com will become the primary domain. redetect.com will be the additional domain, right? This way, and this particular feature is not available in 99.99% of the shared hosting providers out there. You need to simply register to VPS hosting or cloud hosting in order to do this functionality. But in Codesiddhi.space, we offer you this particular feature. It is extremely useful. Let's say if you have purchased a yearly plan of hosting, something like that, and you have connected a particular domain name with one of the public_HTML. Let's say if you have connected your domain name with the public_HTML. Later on, they don't allow you to change that, right? So here you are independent to add as many as domains you want, redirect or access or connect that particular domain to any particular folder that you want to specify, the root. So the first domain path is public_HTML basically, or by default, public_HTML is a file that where your website files reside. If you want to have multiple websites at the same time, then you simply create multiple folders, and inside those folders you add your website and connect that particular folder as your root for that particular domain, additional domains. That's it. And once again, I want to emphasize that whatever domains you'll be adding it here, just make sure that those are using the same name servers of the Codesiddhi.space. So ns1, ns2, ns3, ns4, right? Stackdns.com. All right. So I think this is clear. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.